Welcome to Lori's channel, and this is one of my unique creations that I did for Halloween. And I just thought I would show you this to inspire you for your own projects. So what I did is I took some polymer clay in a dark purple and I placed it in a pendant and got it really smooth. So the backdrop of the purple is basically the sky. And as you can see here, it's nice and smooth, and the pendant just acts as a lovely border. And what I'm going to do is create the entire scene of the pumpkins and the ghosts on here. So here you see I'm taking a little bit of white polymer clay that actually glows in the dark, and I am using my wire to just sort of fan that out. And then I take a tiny, about 1/4 of an inch round of orange polymer clay, and I make these little tiny pumpkins, and just making these little slices with my this little razor blade. It's so simple, yet it looks so adorable. And I place them on the pendant, and then what you'll see in a little bit is I take some eyeshadow that has a little bit of shimmer that's like a coppery color. I definitely make sure I do tendrils because movement in a piece to me is really important. And so I use this bright green and I just roll out really, really thin pieces and have it sort of weave in and around the ghosts and the pumpkins. And it's that easy, just taking your finger and just giving it a little bit of a roll. And anybody can do this project. I want you to know and get inspired that no matter what you think, I've heard people say, how do you do that? I could never imagine myself doing it, but you can. Here you can see where I'm putting that powder, that eyeshadow on the pumpkins, and I just toned down the orange a little bit. And it gives it a little shimmer and it mutes it out a little bit. And when the finished piece comes out of the oven, it just has just this really nice little bit of an iridescence to the pumpkin, but yet also takes down that cartoony look. Sharpie is your friend, and this is another tip that I wanted to make sure that you had. I love Sharpies because they're permanent markers, and what I did here is I just used them for the eyes of the ghosts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Lori out.